In this video, I'll show you how to change password on Hotmail account. Whether you're doing a routine security refresh or just locking things down a little tighter. First, open your browser and head to Outlook's official login page. Hit the sign in button, enter your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and complete that step too. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That's the circle showing either your photo or initials. From the drop-down, select My Profile, which will take you to your Microsoft account settings. On the profile page, click Change Password. Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity first, so keep an eye out for a security code sent to your email, phone, or authentication app. Enter that code and you're good to move forward. Now, create your new password. Make it strong. Think a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And make sure it's something you haven't used before. Type it in, confirm it in the second field, then hit Save. And that's it. Your Hotmail password is updated. It's a quick step that goes a long way in keeping your account and personal information secure. As a general rule, changing your password every few months is a solid habit to get into. Thanks for watching, and check out the channel for more straightforward guides like this one. Stay secure out there. See you in the next one.